Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make chickpea shakshuka. It's a really nice breakfast food and it's really warm food as well because it is really cold in Australia at the moment, and this is just a really quick recipe that you can throw together in the morning, and it's so warm and good for you, and you feel good when you eat it. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 1 tin or about 400 grams of canned chickpeas that have been drained and rinsed. You want to get rid of all the foamy bubbly stuff in the can. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then a pinch of chili. Usually this would call for harissa paste. It's a very spicy kind of tomato-y paste that is used traditionally in this kind of cooking, but both Flavia and I aren't the biggest fan. But if you want to add that, add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of that. 2 garlic cloves crushed. I'm using the purple Italian garlic, so it's more flavorful. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. This is for frying your onions. 1 large red capsicum, roughly chopped. Half a cup of tomato paste. About 6 eggs. This also depends on how many people you want to feed. 800 grams of diced tomatoes. 1 large brown onion, roughly chopped. Between half a cup and 1 cup of vegetable stock. I have a stock cube and some water. This is fine as well. Start off with just half a cup, add more if you need. You don't want it to be too watery. And then some coriander to top. Also salt and pepper to taste. So this is a really good vegetarian warm option for breakfast. If you omit the eggs and substitute for things like tofu or anything like that, it's vegan. It's also gluten-free, so yay. And yeah, so let's get started because shakshuka. Just love that word as well, shakshuka. Okay, so what we're going to do in a large frying pan is we're going to take our oil and onions and we're going to brown them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're soft with a little bit of brownness. Another note, just when you're browning your onions, add half a teaspoon of salt or just a little sprinkle to help them brown up quicker. Just helps get the moisture out of onion. So once the onions have browned, then we're going to add our capsicum and cook on a medium-high heat for about 2 minutes until it's softened. Then our garlic, and we're going to mix that for about a minute until it becomes aromatic. Then we're going to add our spices and harissa paste if you're using it, chickpeas, tomatoes, tomato paste, vegetable stock, and then season with salt and pepper. Once everything's added, bring it to the boil and then turn it down low onto a medium simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until everything's cooked through and the sauce has thickened a little bit. Once your shakshuka has been cooking for about 6 to 8 minutes, if you find it's too thick, add the rest of your stock. This again is a preference. If you like a really kind of thick baked bean kind of consistency, don't add any more. I like mine a bit thinner. That's just my personal preference. Then what you're going to do is crack your eggs in a separate little bowl or ramekin. This is just to prevent any egg shells from going in the shakshuka. Make enough room for 6 eggs to fit into the shakshuka. Make, if you can, little divots, and then let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the egg whites have started to, well, look white instead of clear. Okay guys, that's how you make my quick, easy shakshuka. It's really delicious and it's really warm for those cold mornings, so I hope you like it. Flavia, have you had it before?
I've had it once.
Yes, she has. But yes, so I'm excited because it's really cold and this is warm, so let's eat. So if you want your yolks to be a bit more firm, of course, cook them to your liking. You can have them completely boiled in there if you want to, up to you. I like mine a little bit runny because then it thickens up in the sauce.
I love that.
And yeah, and then you can soak it up with a nice piece of bread.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Yum.
Oh, I love shakshuka.
And I like it with the chickpeas as well because it makes it a bit more filling. more healthy,
I love chickpeas.
more fiber, all the good things.
All the good things that you need in life.
It's a healthy breakfast. We don't think we've done many healthy breakfasts.
No, so this is good.
There will be plenty of unhealthy breakfasts to come.
It's a good way to start the day as well.
I have this for dinner too, or lunch. It's an all-rounder food.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.